Impressing clients with 3D renders used to take one of two things: countless hours or costly outsourcing. Open door number 3 with 3D floor plans from Houzz Pro. The clear way to win clients, develop concepts, and turn their dream home into a virtual reality. Whatever stage you're in, you can start with construction plans or hand drawings, or scan an existing space with your phone or tablet. We'll transform it into a fully interactive 3D model, ready to customize to your client's needs. Add or move walls, doors, and windows. Drop in cabinets, furniture, and fixtures. Manipulate layouts, materials, and finishes, all in real time before anyone lifts a finger. And with Houzz AI, you can turn 2D product shots into true-to-scale 3D models too. So your exact selections are exactly what your client sees. You can even take your designs outside and master plan patios, poolsides, decks, anything to help clients think outside the locks. Ready to present? Houzz Pro lets you generate and share photorealistic renders in stunning detail, and lets clients experience their space from any angle, in person or on their own. You can also guide them on augmented reality walkthroughs, using your phone or tablet as a window into their future home. When they're done exploring, estimates or proposals are just a click away, and preloaded with your plan's products and prices. That means less manual work and more moving work forward. It's your sales toolkit's secret weapon and your creative co-pilot. It's your key to clearer expectations and more confident clients. It's your vision visualized, and it's right here on Houzz Pro.